So yeah, this ZL1 was built by another shop. It actually has gone through, I believe, 3 different short blocks. Oh, there comes the milkshake.
That might be the worst I've ever seen.
Hi, Matthew.
Oh, you just missed the milkshake.
I know, I heard. That's why I decided to come out.
You might still be able to see it in here.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Oh yeah.
And they're like, it's better than yours.
Damn right.
Oh. Mission a boat.
So yeah, this ZL1 was built by another shop. It actually has gone through, I believe, 3 different short blocks. Same shop, built it, blew it up a few times. He decided to finally come to us. We're pretty much taking it completely apart and starting fresh because there's just so much stuff on it. We're gonna do it our way.
God, there's anti-seize on everything on this thing.
Because it's my way.
It's my way or the highway.
Exactly.
I don't give a again. Like, what the
Yeah, so we're not gonna be running this nitro setup, the lid, any of this stuff. We already have a short block here for it. What else are we doing, Matthew?
He's got like CID 6-bolt heads. It's actually speed short block. We're gonna do our cam, all our cam stuff.
Is it getting a 6-bolt block or Texas speed block? Okay.
Texas speed. Stock casting block.
Okay. Say we're keeping the LT4 blower. We swapping, for.
Yeah, no, we're keeping the blower. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
I think the main thing we're changing is our cam and probably do a max if I had to guess.
Okay. Okay. Well, that'll be fun.
It won't be bad once I get all this stuff out. That's good. Yeah, that's what I'm used to. So we'll get the motor out here in a jiff and go from there, I guess.
A jiffy, huh?
Jiffy.
Do like myself some peanut butter.
So does Jerry.
Does
Peanut butter and lunch.
Alright, I'll leave you to it. Thanks, pal. If you have any more fun stuff to show me, feel free to let me know.
Sure will.
I love bringing my milkshake to the yard.
I got like a 6-gen Camaro junkyard over here. I really need to go through it.
Sure do.
Alright. Look at this contraption down here.
Let's check on Jerry.
What's up?
Hi, Jerry.
It's Monday.
How's your Thanksgivings?
It was good. It was good.
Yeah.
Ate some good food. I almost fell asleep on the ride home.
That's good.
It's great. I almost died.
Well, that's not good.
Surprised you didn't say that's good.
Well, no, if you died, it would have been. That's good. You didn't die. That's not good.
But yeah.
Head's already on.
Yeah, head's
Obviously
on, torque down. Yep.
Okay.
And that's where the header's on, intake manifold and whatnot, and finish it all up.
God, it is pouring its dick off.
Yeah. Right here sucked.
It did suck.
Honda's been going around.
Dude, it did suck. And then Eric is continuing work on Hightower's C706. It looks like he's got his fuel line out, start the fuel system. Obviously, last time we checked on him, he had the blower mounted. Obviously, heads on, valley cover, cam done. Coming along. I believe this is also getting a Frankenstein intake manifold, which is pretty cool. Usually for these, because we have to take the LT4 blower off, it'll get a Pro Charger one. This one, we're going to go with the Frankenstein one, try it out, see how it goes. Obviously, we've been doing a lot of stuff with Frankenstein lately. Wait, didn't Eric beat Jerry?
No. He's undefeated.
I thought Eric beat him.
Undefeated.
Yeah, barely.
Yeah, dude, you almost lost to me, which is terrible.
You guys all lost.
I suck at pool, and I'll say it straight up. Apparently,
Beating
Jerry's...
some guy that plays pool maybe once every year.
Yeah, Jerry plays pool at 1 a.m. every night. He's got a carbon fiber
And barely beat us.
carbon fiber stick, and you only beat me by 1 ball.
Yeah.
I beat you by 3.
1 ball. He's coming back.
Okay.
I actually got the mailman to come back too. He's like, I'll be right all day. I'll swing back. Cool.
Sweet.
I don't understand what's going on with these coolant hoses.
Yeah.
Does this thing have an ice tank in the trunk?
What's up?
It must. Go pop the trunk in this thing.
Okay. That looks like a med tank.
What the hell is
Because it's
that?
plastic. It's probably underneath. Look underneath. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big bitch.
It is big. So there's CIDs. Those look like LMEs.
Is there anyone
There's
in
CID
there?
castings.
Oh, are they? Okay.
No?
Yeah, yeah, big ass trunk.
Giant one.
This thing's just all party. A lot of stuff cut apart in this thing. Okay, bye. It's a little stage 4, C6E. Heads cam, Frankenstein boys on this one.
Same size stage 4 as the last one.
Yeah. Just everything is low.
Yep.
Yeah.
Find me,
No.
yeah,
No.
CR 500s.
You already have one.
I know. Some more, an 89 or a 90 Honda Pilot. I need them. If you have them, thing is sick.
I've yet to rip it. I'm probably the only one in the shop that hasn't driven it.
Well, if you want to drive it today, it's pretty cold out. You're more than welcome.
I don't want to do that.
It's awesome. You got Corsa or something on it?
God, it is still coming down. How's it looking, buddy? Well, besides.
Honestly, I have not seen anything obvious.
Okay.
Just kind of blown my mind because usually it always a cracked. You know, I thought it was gonna be a cracked head. Still investigating.
Okay. Well, regardless, putting an engine in anyways, but I like it. Nice.
Yeah, I bet you do. Just a little bit of hair coming out. I ain't got hair up there to do that, but.
You look great. That's a.
Look like a 8-year-old. Yes. He's got the alternates on.
Yeah, it's too crappy out to mess up the freshies. Yeah, there's a tornado warning till 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, that's worse than f***ing what's his faces.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's worse than f***ing Bobby's back in the day.
Holy
That might be the worst I've ever seen, to be honest.
Why? It looks like they attempted to pin it.
Yeah, I see.
That is chewed up.
For what?
All the power, Matthew.
That's the worst one I've ever seen.
Yeah, it'd have to make about 2,000 horsepower to need that. And
Oh, there comes the milkshake. You're gonna need a bigger pan.
that's what she said.
Okay. I like your style.
I can't deal with this anymore. I feel me like an idiot.
Hold on, I'll do what everybody wants me to do. There you go.
Yeah, that's much better.
Hold on.
They look like big teeth.
There, I'll wear it all the way down. There you go, everybody. Sup, bruh? Sup?
Jesus, come on.
There it is, right next to the supercharger. Nice.
Jesus.
Yeah, because I just fucking swing around.
Yeah, I think it planted it.
That is. Holy. I can't believe they sent that. God, that's insane.
Well, it's these couple cylinders that's probably just the way I flipped it over. So this block has got to be cracked somewhere. Where is it?
Obviously, we're not doing anything with this, so there's no real tear it apart other than just what failed, but we're putting a different engine in, so it's not really worth the time or money to do it.
Timing's off.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Timing's off.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's off.
Maybe if they didn't smudge white paint over everything, they'd be able to see the marks. I'm glad I looked for it. I almost just ripped it off without looking.
Just got the fuel system nice and plumbed. Putting the pump gas that was in it back in it. So Matt's got the Texas Speed short block out for this thing. Take a quick look at it. He's already got our cam in. He's got a little thing back here to keep it from sliding around while it gets everything else back together. Or together. Big ol' sleeve. You did say earlier off camera we were replacing a whole bunch of stuff.
Oil cooler, yeah, we can get an oil cooler, we can get an oil pump. Obviously new chain and all this stuff.
Yeah. We always do new chain and stuff, but
Especially after the way that crank looks, who knows what kind of stress is on this chain.
for sure. And we will time it correctly.
For sure.
So what Matt was talking about before was there's a little notch on there. It needs to line up. Make sure everything's lined up. And
It's crooked right now, but
yeah, he'll make sure everything lines up. The other one was not, so it's pretty important.
we'll see.
That was the original motor.
Oh, I thought you said it just
Heads.
blew up through. Oh, okay.
It lifted the head the first time.
Oh, it dropped a valve or something because the one cylinder head's all fucked up and it's got new pistons in it.
Oh yeah. Well, I know it's been 3 times. He said. I don't know exactly what.
Nice heads.
Yeah, his heads are sick. CID.
Jerry, you almost done over here?
Yeah.
He's got his pathetic lights under there. They do nothing.
Run the low setting.
All it has is a low setting.
What?
The leaf? You're just gonna...
You're gonna leave it there.
You're gonna leave it there?
I'm gonna leave it there.
Baseline on this because I guess we worked on this a couple months ago.
This thing's f***ing filthy.
It's super dirty.
It's like the front wheels have never seen water.
Yeah.
Like not even rain.
Yeah. It bothered me. I want to wash it.
It should have been washed before it went on the dyno.
Well, it was 30 yesterday.
Heat the water up and wash it.
Heat it up with what?
Heat.
Yo, you give me a little double boiler out there for
I'm just gonna take it to my mom's car wash.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Yeah. It is a mile away from here.
So I looked, last time I was here it made 393. I think it was just headers exhaust intake too. Obviously it's an auto, 99.
Should make more than 393 this time.
I'll go 475.
Or 62.
Well, looky there.
We were both wrong.
It surpassed both our guesses off first pull. Well, first real pull.
First full pull, yeah.
Damn. I like it.
Yeah.
Should be happy with that. It's
Yes, we're
almost
just-
up 100 as it is.
Yeah, pretty close to it, yeah.
That's killer. Because that'll be literally just the heads cam gain.
Yeah, it was all we swapped.
Yeah. And on one of these, that's really good.
Sure is.
A little over 100 horsepower added.
Yeah.
That's pretty damn good.